Hi friends. So in this video actually I want to record the characteristics of my book, that is student friendly material on corporate and allied laws. So that is this book, that is the latest edition, this May 2017 edition. Okay, that's what you can see here also. So this is May 2017 edition. So this book has the latest amendments including NCLT, oppression mismanagement, special court penalties. So this book is very much helpful for corporate and allied laws, that is CA final book, and this can also be used for CMA final also. So what is the characteristics of this book and how this book will be helpful for you in self preparation? Okay, so basically this book is MRP is 340 rupees, and generally we'll be giving 10% discount on this book. So anywhere you can buy this book through Amazon also, we are giving a 10% discount, so around 300 rupees also it will be available. And what is the feature of this book? I'll just show the soft copy of this book. So see, once you buy this book, you can WhatsApp me whatever doubts you have from this book. So I have given my number, WhatsApp number, so that you can WhatsApp me. So this may be the first time you will be directly messaging the author himself for any doubts in this book. And so many YouTube videos will be available from my side, and which you can also access whenever there is a new thing comes up in corporate and allied laws. And this book has been forwarded by casting guru C. Hariharan sir. He is very famous in Chennai and South India. See, the contents of this book has been here. So this book has the entire thing from directors, meetings, manager remuneration, books of accounts, audit, payment of dividends, foreign companies, inspection, and other miscellaneous chapter, e-governance, NCLT, special court, offence and penalties, government company reports, winding up, compromise and arrangement, oppression mismanagement, producer companies, and I have given separate threshold limits chart, like whenever applicability comes. For example, woman director in section 149, you can see the applicability is like paid up capital 100 crores or more, turnover 300 crores, like that. We have entire threshold. Wherever you can find limits, it will be there in the chart, and penalty chart will be given, like what are the sections, how much penalties, and there is a case law separate chart is there for case laws, and what are the different types of resolutions required, no, like ordinary resolution, special resolution, extraordinary resolution, unanimous resolution, what are different section different, and what are the forms required for CA final people to quote, and what is the question paper pattern, how to present in exam. And I have given so many practice questions, chapter wise practice question is there, then 4 mock tests I have given. So this is like in other academies we will be like selling mock question papers. So for per question paper 100 rupees they will be selling. So I have given of free of cost. And Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI, then Foreign Exchange Management Act, securitization. So everything, the 10 allied laws also covered. And I have given last minute preparation for allied laws also. Like once you have done with allied laws, you can check whether you have covered all the topic in allied laws. Then all these notified sections in Companies Act 2013 I have given, and wherever you can find the bold letters, that bold letters refers the latest section. So so you can see here section 124, 125, this is a new section introduced, and section 130, 131, you can see the new section introduced. So like that, whichever chapter you have already studied for, say November section exam or May 5th section exam, but you want to know what are the new chapter applicable for you and new section applicable for you, you can see here what are the new section, it will be in the bold letters. And you can see here and these are the new sections in investigation, chapter 213, 216, 217, 218. So then here NCLT's operational mismanagement, the new chapter even section 241 to section 246, and connected with that we have some section from winding up, but winding up as such is old chapter only, old 1956 only, but only to the extent of this 4 section, this 5 section, some 4 section has been introduced from winding up chapter. That is the only thing that's also been covered in this book. And see here, this NCLT, that is chapter number 27 of Companies Act. This NCLT is entirely new chapter, almost 30 sections are there, and special code chapter is there, almost 6 new section has been introduced, and penalties 1 section has been introduced newly. So I have given in this book topic wastage also, topic wise what are the A topic, B topic, like how much marks each topic is covered, so that is there. And I have given amendments at on go, sir. So last 1.5 years, what are the amendments happened in Companies Act 2013? So you can see here the all the amendments at one go. So in this 4 pages, you can I just identify what are the amendments taken place. So section wise amendments is given here. Then our director chapter starts. I start with director because that's the important thing. So I have not started with ICA's site. I have done my own research and analysis. So I started my chapter with directors chapter, and my order of section is a little bit different. So I have not started from section 149, instead I started from section 164, and later I cover with 149, etc. So, and wherever possible I have given a resolution, you can see here also. So how to appoint a director, how to get a resolution from him, how to get a declaration from him, DIR 8. So what are the possible things? It also covers this practical aspect also. So everywhere wherever required I have given resolutions, and wherever necessary I have given flowchart also. So then see here also you can see how to appoint additional director. Additional director full section has been given. After that I have given how to give a resolution and how to give an explanatory statement for additional director. So wherever possible, so see here casual vacancy director, I have given how to, what is a casual vacancy director, everything is being done. And after that I have given a draft resolution, like that wherever possible practically, etc., etc., I have given. And see here how to understand retirement of director by rotation. This you cannot find anywhere else other than this book. See this once question covers. See for example, you can see independent director, nominee director, MD directors, and AGM directors, women directors, everything can be covered in one question, which is a practical applicability question. You can pass in this question, and you can even see this question and try to answer this question. So this is the one of the example which is highlight of my book. And how to apply it in, everything has been given in practical way. So wherever you find see for example another thing, this proportional representation director, many books will not give how they be appointed proportionally. So in this book I have given the method of proportional representation. This is single transferable vote as well as cumulative votes. So everything has been given here in this. See this may not be relevant for exam point of view, but knowledge point of view, you don't know what is proportional representation, so how can you understand what is proportional representation? So those things has been incorporated here. So and after each and every chapter I have given some past examination and practical questions also, so that I will show you. See here how to get DIN, the full procedure of obtaining a DIN has been given here. So this practically in e-governance and all they can ask. And see here test your knowledge, I have given all possible questions from each chapter. So these are the practical questions from each chapter. See in this chapter there are 37 practical questions which they can ask. So this 37 questions contributes 12 marks for you. And in this question I have already covered past examination RTP questions, everything has been covered. Then the meeting chapter started, so same way like our data chapters. And you can see here circular resolution. If you read section 175 in circular resolution, I have given a table how to pass a circular resolution, which will be helpful for you to draft a circular resolution thing, and which is actually a form part of e-governance chapter. So I doesn't want you to concentrate e-governance as separate chapter. Whenever there is a question, you can just read that section, because everything has been linked to some other section. And here how to appoint independent director, I have given this kind of resolutions. So after explanation of each and every section, and wherever interpretation is necessary, I have given interpretation also. So how to understand this section, and sometimes wherever you need mnemonics, I have given a mnemonic also. Okay, you can see here what are the powers of board. So CBI, big FD pad. So these are the mnemonics for usage of powers of board. And the resolution has been given, and we'll go to the end of this chapter. So at the end of this chapter I have given this see, even you can see here this managerial remuneration, appointment of managing director, everything, even including explanatory statement, everything has been given how practically it's possible. So this book is actually used by even practicing chartered accountants and company secretaries in practice. And here you can see test your knowledge, and these are the possible examination questions that can be asked. And once you're done with this chapter, you please do this section. This is like 60 questions has been there. So these are the 60 possible questions that can be asked in the examination. So if you like going through like this, every chapter I will be doing like this. And I can give you one model scheme. So after this, I have given, see here, threshold limits. This is the, after every chapter, after finishing all the chapters, I have given threshold limit, like what are the section, what is the threshold limit is possible. And I have given a penalty chart, one page penalty chart for every section penalty is covered, and one go penalty chart also, like 5,000 rupees, which section have 5,000 rupees penalty, which section has 25,000 rupees penalty, like that. Everything has been covered here. And the case laws, I have given a separate chart for case laws, under which section what are the case laws. And I don't want to quote all irrelevant case laws of 1926, only whatever relevant case laws is required I have quoted, and whatever in then practice involved. So only 26 case laws you need to study. And I have given a separate page for what are the types of resolutions, etc. So what are the section, what kind of resolution is required under each section. And important e-forms has been separately given, which is to be quoted in the examination from point of view. Then question paper pattern. So how can you expect the question paper this time? So this I will change every time, and this time what are the question paper, what are the things, how it will be asked, what kind of things, how much 4 marks, how much 8 marks, you can see here. And how to present in examination, I have given a separate chart for it, because so many people don't know how to present in examination. If it's 4 marks, how to present; if it's 2 marks, how to present; if it's 8 marks, how to present. I have given a separate chart for it. Then practice question, I have given chapter wise practice question. For example, here director chapters, see, apart from that initial, I have given some 37 questions. Beyond that, I have given practice questions for you. So it's like how examination they will be asking, no, same kind of pattern, like detailed questions will be given here. And these are fresh question, it's not been copied from any book or any institute material or any practice manual or any other private author's book. It's fully written by B. And director chapter, meeting chapter separately given. Then books of accounts separately given, directors and meetings. Then auditors chapter separately given, remuneration chapter. So all these chapters, very very important chapters, separately you can see this practice questions. And after that, I have given 4 mock test question papers for you. So where you can find the 100 marks, 120 marks, in fact I can say 120 marks papers will be given to you. So you can answer all those questions. So like our institute question paper, no, same type of I have given question papers for you, so you can answer those questions. Then afterwards, I have covered this allied laws. So allied laws will be like very very easy language, you can see the allied laws. So wherever necessary, I have given in points, and wherever necessary, flowchart has been given also. So from here you can see the flowchart. See, the flowchart starts here. So very very difficult topics has been covered in flowchart in just 2-3 lines. So after that, FEMA, then interpretation of statute, full and specific in SEBI also. I see here I have given one practical example how this full SEBI will be operated. So I have taken one company as example, how IPO is operated, when they have get the SEBI clearance, how the tendering prospectus, what is the bidding period, what is the revision, how this minimum public shareholding has been covered. So everything has been solved in this question. You can see once you read this SEBI chapter, you can see this book building process questions, and everything, every small area chapter is also covered. And after that, I have given a practice questions for you. And once you have done this question paper, that's all, it's enough. That means you have done with SEBI. So like that, FEMA, everything will be there, and interpretation of statute, etc. And interpretation full out and out practical will be there. And after finishing all these chapters, you can see here, check whether you have covered all the topic for the exam. So one day before the exam, when you are revising, you can just revise these topics. Once you have done with this, that means you are ready for the examination. So I have given all these major topics which you should study before the exam. So I think this will be helpful for you, and this book has been priced at very less price, and please support me. Maybe this video will be helpful for you to have a thorough understanding of what my book is there. So thank you, all the very best.